Hello friends. So today we will discuss about loops in C, mainly while loop. Okay. So why we are using loops? Loops will help us to repeat a block of code for checking a specified condition is true or not. The specified condition is true, then the loop will work continuously, will iterate continuously. So in that purpose, we are using loops. So in this lesson, we are checking about while loop. So the syntax of while loop is we are using while, and here we are checking some conditions. If this condition is true, then this block of code will execute. If the condition is false, then this will not work. Okay. Suppose we need to print numbers up to 10. So here we can use int num equal to 1. And here we are checking some condition while num less than 10, then only we need to execute a block of code. So here we are opening the brace. Here we are just putting the data. So we are using printf percentage %d, and here we are telling the variable num. So the number equal to 1 and number less than 10. Yes, 1 is less than 10. Then we are just printing this data. After that, we need to change this value. Otherwise, this will execute continuously, right? So here in this loop, we need to increment this num to 1. So here we can tell num plus equal to 1. That is num is equal to num plus 1. So the value will change to 2, 2 less than 10, it will print 2, then next time it is 3, it will print 3. So this will print up to 9. We can just run this code. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to print 10 also. Then here we can tell less than or equal to 10. Here we can put one new line slash. So each digit will print, each number will print in separate lines. Just run this code. Now you can see we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 10. So this block of code will execute continuously 10 times. Suppose I want to print the number in the reverse order, 10 to 1. That time we can give like number equal to 10, and we are checking number greater than or equal to 1. Then first it will print the num 10. Next time we need to subtract 1. Num equal to num minus 1. So we'll run this. See, we are getting the number in the reverse order. 10, 9, 8, up to 1. So this block of code will execute if this condition is true. Otherwise, it will not execute this code. Suppose num is equal to 1, num less than or equal to 10. Suppose here we are giving 11. And here we are using num equal to num plus 1. So this condition is false, right? Num, because num is equal to 11. So it will not print anything. See, it will not execute inside of this loop. Okay. Suppose I want to print the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. So here we can declare one more variable int sum equal to 0. Here we need to sum that numbers. So sum is equal to, we can tell sum plus this number. So first time it will 1, next time 2, so it will add 1 plus 2, that is 3, like that. So after this loop, we need to print the sum of numbers. So sum equal to, we can tell percentage D, we can tell sum. Then we will execute this code. See, it is printing 1 to 10. And after that, the sum is equal to 55. Okay. So while loop is used for, the loop repeats a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. If this condition is true, then this will execute, otherwise it will not execute. Okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.